Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are turned on, paired with your device. Now enter Surface app. Allow. Let's go. Confirm or don't. Tap Get Started and now add a device. Select Surface Earbuds and now follow the instructions. Connect. Pair it with your smartphone. Confirm. Continue. Finish. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.